Well, today I want to show you, this is the Wild Badger, or the Badger 20-volt battery operated chainsaw. Love this thing. Normally, I like to just use it for de-limbing. Chop a tree down and then use this to chop the limbs off. But I just want to show you the power that this thing has. This is a hardwood. This is a piece of maple here. And as you can see, it cuts right through it. No problem. I'll just keep going here. Quite impressive. And boy, I could go and de-limb several trees. And still has tons of power left. Take it out again here. Wow. Look at the power, folks. Do one more. Just finish it off. As you can see, still has a ton of power left. And that was a large maple hardwood log. Great product.